I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to deposit money into your Varo account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to the deposit section. Once you're in the app, find the deposit option, usually located in the main menu or on the home screen. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Choose your deposit method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ASRock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Depending on the method you chose, follow the on-screen instructions. For mobile check deposits, you will need to take pictures of the front and back of the check. Step 5. Confirm your deposit. After submitting your deposit, review the details and confirm. You should receive a notification once the deposit is processed. Keep an eye on your account balance to ensure it reflects the deposit. Remember, if you're using mobile check deposit, make sure the check is signed and not older than 6 months to avoid any issues. Happy banking!